In this video, we'll demonstrate step by step how to uncover your Facebook user ID and username. But before we dive in, I invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn this, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. So, whether you need this information for personal use or to share with others, I've got you covered. Start by opening the Facebook app and logging into your account. Once logged in, navigate to your profile. The quickest way to do this is by tapping on your profile picture located on the home page. Now you should be on your profile page. Locate the three dots symbol, often found next to the Edit Profile button in the middle of your screen. After clicking on the three dots, scroll down and you'll come across a section labeled Your Profile link, followed by facebook.com. The text after the slash is your unique Facebook username. You can copy this link and share it to allow others to visit your profile using your username. In summary, to find your Facebook username, follow these simple steps. Access your profile, tap the three dots, scroll down to your profile link, and note the text after the slash. That's your username. On the other hand, to find your Facebook user ID, which can vary depending on the apps linked to your Facebook account, start by tapping the menu option in the lower right-hand corner. This is typically represented by a hamburger icon, 3 horizontal lines. Navigate to Settings. Continue scrolling until you find Settings and Privacy and tap on it. Next, select Settings. Within the Settings menu, scroll down until you reach the Apps and Websites section under your information. Tap on Apps and Websites. Here, you'll see a list of apps and websites linked to your Facebook account. Pick the specific service for which you want to find your user ID. For example, if you're looking for your user ID for CapCut, tap on that service. Once on the services page, scroll to the bottom, and you'll find your user ID that is unique to that service. It's important to note that this number will differ for each app or service linked to your Facebook account. To quickly copy this lengthy number, simply tap on the small icon next to it, and a check mark will indicate that it's now copied to your device's clipboard. That's it. You've now successfully learned how to find both your Facebook username and user ID. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. You can find more tutorials and resources at our website, MediaMagnetGuide.com. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials and tips coming your way.